Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable profanity censorship on the Dispatch PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dispatch game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to censor the profanity within the game, then in order to do this, just click on Settings from the home page. From here, you will be taken into the General page. So within the General settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you will then see the Filters option. Here you can choose between the profanity as well as visual censorship. In order to make sure that profanity is turned off within the game, make sure that this setting is turned on. When this option is set to on, then the profanity will be censored and it will not appear within the game. After choosing your desired setting, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. You may come back to this menu at any point of time to once again change your censorship settings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable profanity censorship on the Dispatch PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.